Good morning, it's the 12th of April 2010 and this is your daily outlook. Greece negotiates a 30 billion rescue package from EU IMF. Friday's trading saw a general positive risk appetite across all majors as reports suggested a new Greek bailout plan was being prepared and was due to be announced over the weekend. On the weekend, the plan was announced, which entailed a €30 billion bilateral loan between EU IMF and Greece at 5%, which is 200 base points below market rates of 7%. This is exactly what the markets have been looking for. A clear-cut plan on exactly how the EU IMF is going to help in the event Greece is in need. All the euro crosses subsequently gapped higher on the opening this morning and are trading at 120 to 180 pips higher. The Dow and S&P futures are currently trading at 0.6% and 0.33% respectively. In the US on Friday, we have positive US wholesale inventories coming in at 0.6%, indicating that the US is rebuilding its inventories as US aggregate demand is expected to pick up in the near future. The dollar did weaken as positive risk appetite due to Europe and the extended period mindset of the market caused dollar weakness as a risk-driven trade. This week is expected to be a busy week for dealers as the US retail sales report will be released and is expected to show a 1.3% gain. We also have a number of Fed officials making public appearances, including Ben Bernanke, and the earnings season starts today with Alcoa Incorporated kicking off before the open. The Dow is trading at 10,997, just below the psychological barrier of 11,000. US 2-year Treasury yields traded from 1.01% to 1.19% on Friday, and the dollar-yen traded between 92.87 and 93.74. In Canada on Friday, we had national employment data released indicating a worse than expected increase in jobs, with the unemployment rate remained unchanged at 8.2%. Dollar CAD is currently trading around parity, with plenty of price consolidation at these levels expected. The CAD has benefited tremendously from the strong commodities prices, and the Bank of Canada's monetary policy commitment is to hike the rates in line with inflation expectations. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 135.75, with a preference to enter into long positions at 135.85. The dollar yen pivot point is at 93.50, with a preference to enter into long positions at 93.45. Today's calendar and market movers. Canada housing starts for March. Previous month's reading was 196.7 thousand. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive on Friday, with the Dow closing at 0.64% and the SP 500 at 0.67%. The European bourses were positive on Friday, with the FTSE up 1.02%, the DAX at 1.26% and the CAC closing up at 1.81%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was at 0.45% and the Hang Seng at 0.16%. This has been your daily outlook. I'm Emma Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.